Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So today I'm going to jump right in and share my screen with you. This is an actual capability statement. So I'm going to tell you about step-by-step on how to construct and create a capability statement that is actually going to win you cleaning contracts, government cleaning contracts. So in this video, if you're really interested in what you need to do, you've heard all about a capability statement, then stick around. I'm going to show you that right now. So the first thing is, what is a capability statement? A capability statement is a one-page, sort of like a resume about your business. Everything that you can do is what this capability statement is. Now, I always say that depending on what you have as far as your experience is going to depend on a little bit more of what changes in your capability statement. This is usually the #1 tool that you use to market to government buyers that can help make a decision on if they want to do a no bid. That means they can give you that contract without bidding at all, or if we call open competition, where you have to bid for it. So let's take a look and see what we have. This is an actual template that I've used to win contracts, and my students and clients have as well. So what we have here is this blank. This is where you want to put your logo. This is like an outline that I created that has the main essential parts for what the contracting officers are looking for. So this is your capability statement piece in the beginning. This is like your statement, your summary, your capability summary, which goes over a lot about your company. And so that could be pretty basic. You can just talk about what your company, how long you've been in business. You could talk about, what your single solution company that does janitorial. This is where you want to just do a summary, a summarize of what your company does. So this particular company is known for making sure that they help with any pressing concerns that their clients could have during the pandemic. So they specialize in doing cleaning, specifically cleaning for health for the pandemic. And this is one of the areas that they pay attention to. Now, I wanted to show you a real basic one. I didn't want to show you one that had won a lot of awards, meaning they're certified, although this particular one has been certified. But I want you to feel comfortable with being able to submit a capability statement where your company is. Up here are agencies they've worked with. So you can download the agency and put that up here. Then you want to have your website. This little bar scan, a QR scan, is what we use where they can scan this QR scan code and go straight to your website. That's what you want there. They've got their cage code, which is once you've registered for SAM, you're going to have this 5-letter and like it's a letter and numbers cage code, numerical cage code. And that's when you've registered with SAMS, and the DSL Defense Logistics Agency has given you back that cage code, which is what you need in order to move forward with bidding for contracts. Then they have their DUNS number, their phone number. This is the company snapshot. It has her name, her phone number, her email address, her address where her business is, and her work area. So if your work area is Texas, Georgia, put that on your capability statement. She only focuses on Georgia. Then we have her past performance. Now, some people in their past performance, if you do not have a past performance, I would put a mission statement. If you have no previous past performance, and that doesn't just mean government, that means no previous past performance at all. Now, remember, depending on the bid solicitation, you can list past performance that's not under your company, but under you as the owner of the company. Don't forget that. So this is also where you could list past performances. Now, you want to put maybe as many as you can, or I put the latest ones. You can put dates here. You can put phone numbers. We thought it would be best, since it's the same person, we put what type of cleaning it is, which is janitorial cleaning or housekeeping or maid service or window service, whatever it is, you want to put it in here. Because remember, I talked about everything encompasses facility support. So don't just focus only on cleaning. You could focus on landscaping and window service and floors. All of that goes here. So you're going to simply put that there, and you could put the person's phone number. You could put the years that you worked, but normally all of this is going to go on the bid solicitation. So if you don't want to put it here, that's fine, but you absolutely can. It's up to you. Phone numbers, addresses. You definitely want the point of contact, which is listed, and what kind of services you provided. Some people go as far as to put the square footage. All of that they want to put on there because they want the contracting officer to know what type of work they've done. So past performance, as they say, put your foot in it, really, really give them some meat. So this is just an example of someone that may have not done a lot, but like I said, you go all the way out, put everything that you feel comfortable with, the phone number, the address, the years that you served, what you did, the square footage, all of that. Now you want to put your differentiators, and that's really a lot of where you want to put. Do not only put your certifications in this area, but you want to talk about that you are really great in customer control, or that you work or have very great contacts with subcontractors. This is where you want to stretch your stuff. Your single source solution that specializes in well, health, and care, or wellness and health. This is where you want to put that. And you want like bullets or something like that. Then this is where you're gonna put your NAICS code. So she's got all her NAICS codes here, all of them listed. She found her NAICS code on NAICScode.com, which I showed you in one of our previous videos. And then once again, she's got her name, and she has her phone number, and she has her state again, and her email address. The other part is you want to list your core competencies. So she got the fact that they do cleaning, she do enhanced cleaning, green cleaning, and the goal of that is to improve absenteeism rates. Then she does background checks, EPA approved chemicals, proven cleaning method that she has as trademarked. Then she does customized cleaning and one-time projects. So this is just an outline of an actual, this capability statement, this type of template that we use with our students, with our clients. We give them this template, and all they have to do is customize it, and we help them with every one of these areas. So this is something that you can work on, but you absolutely need to have this, and I absolutely recommend that you put it on your website so they can download it. But this is an actual template of the outline of a capability statement that has one, and it's basic. Doesn't have to have a lot of frills to it, but it's got the information. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and say thank you so much. If you want any of this type of training, we offer this in our masterclass, in our other programs as well. So I'd love, love, love to work with helping you get all of this set up to meet. This is a part of the basic requirements. The capability statement is absolutely a part of your basic requirements, which is registering with SAMs, your EIN, your DUNS, and your capability statement. So that is the basic requirements that you need. Then you get your CAGE code, and you're ready for part 2, which is marketing to the government buyers. Well, if you'd like to know more about this, guess what? You can actually come to my free masterclass. I offer 2, actually one on government. I am a firm believer in getting to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! And one way to do that is with government cleaning contracts and with commercial contracts. So if you'd like to know more, click to register for my free masterclasses where I talk about this type of capability, basic requirements, all of that and more. Have you in and out in about 45 minutes. But I actually give you the meat, the potatoes, the entree, the dessert, all of that wrapped up into one bundle. So I'd love to see you. Space is limited. Make sure you click the link to register. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.